Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model S rear speakers? The most common cause is often related to balance and fader settings. Start by navigating to Settings, Audio on your Tesla's touchscreen. Ensure that the fader isn't set to front only, which would effectively mute the rear speakers. Also, check the left-right balance to ensure it's centered. A simple software glitch can sometimes cause these settings to change unexpectedly. If adjusting the settings doesn't work, try a Reset Audio option within the same menu to restore the defaults. According to Tesla Motors Club data, 60% of users resolved rear speaker problems simply by checking these balance settings. If problems persist, move on to the next step, which is amplifier troubleshooting. If balance and fader settings are correct, the issue might stem from the amplifier. First, try a soft reset of your Tesla by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. After the car reboots, check if the rear speakers are functioning. If not, examine the amplifier for potential issues. Although more technical, you can check the service menu by holding the brake and both scroll wheels simultaneously to look for error codes related to the audio system. If you're comfortable, use a multimeter to check the voltage at the amplifier to ensure it's receiving power. If you're not experienced with electrical work, it's best to consult a Tesla service center or a qualified mechanic. Keep in mind that Tesla has issued service bulletins, e.g. SB 2300-001, for audio repairs. If your Model S is still under warranty, especially pre-2020 models, amplifier replacement might be covered. If troubleshooting independently, forums like Reddit's R Tesla Motors and the Tesla Motors Club are great resources for community-driven solutions, including DIY fixes. These troubleshooting steps should help resolve amplifier-related rear speaker issues in your Tesla Model S.